Okay, so Marcus and Michelle is following us in their new diesel pickup and their Durango fifth wheel. We said we would escort them to their site.
They're behind us.
They're behind us. Believe it or not. So maybe we'll get some footage for them here.
Look at her taking us right into our spot.
I know.
She can work at a campground. I like it. Oh, Connor.
What's wrong? You immediately took out the... You just hit.
You hit him. You hit him. You hit him.
What did I hit? Oh, well, everything was going good until I tried to pull into the site, and I kind of sort of ran into Mike and Heidi's awning that was sticking out, and I think I broke their awning. Actually, I know I did, but we also put a dent in the side of the camper and scratched it all up because I didn't even see the awning as I was turning. So yeah, there's this. So not a good start to this part of the trip. Well, this is our first evening here at PirateLand, and there is some kind of, I don't know, parade of golf carts, perhaps? Never seen anything like this before. I made some bacon for breakfast. I'm going to do some scrambled eggs. Everyone else is still asleep, but I'm going to enjoy my breakfast with some orange juice.
But yeah, it was fun. It was like $100 some dollars. Yeah, I want to do that stuff. See what you can do that. All right, there's where we're gonna be over there.
We're trying to get to that bridge right there to get out of the campground. So in the meantime, we'll give you guys a little tour. Heading to Camping World to get a sewer hose extension because our hose is not quite long enough to reach the sewer. I think that we found the bridge. Check out the palm tree. Palm tree. I love palm trees. Any alligators? I don't see any alligators. So there's the camp store and laundromat. I don't know if we're going to be doing any tours this time, considering the virus. Here's a little arcade and grill. ice cream there. Oh, look, another palm tree. And now we're exiting the campground. Ooh, Mr. Fireworks. That sounds like a fun place to check out. Well, we made it back to the campground. Just waiting in line to get back in. Taking our first walk down to the beach. Well, at least I am. Check out the view. There are quite a few people on the beach today. Yes, I am at the beach with my boots on, and they got soaked. I'm not happy about that. The sun is directly overhead. This is Myrtle Beach sand, and my shadow. Yep, 3 grand designs. Cheap, more expensive, very expensive. This is the road, not cheap, cheaper. This is the road that we're on. This isn't Captain Cook, but we're on Captain Cook right next to it. There's Michelle's new truck. Sorry about the lawnmower. There's Herbie's Tiffin, Herbie and Mary's Tiffin. And here's Mike and Heidi's spot. There's his new 3500. I'm sorry, his 350. And their camper. Well, I got the new Cuisinart grill preheating here. Gonna do some Italian sausage on this. And we're also making spaghetti with meatballs. Michelle's making a salad. I got sauce and meatballs going here. Meat sauce. Water boiling. Gonna grate some cheese here shortly. They're still. Hello. Good. How are you? Good. There's no murder hornets here.
Look at him! Look at him!
Get, show. Come on, get out of here.
All right, is everyone ready?
He sure is.
I will serve. Okay. Please enter the line.
Well, I'll be
Grab your
grab it everywhere.
Hold on. Hold on.
It's a bit breezy. We don't have Italian.
I don't like Italian anyway, so out there. Not a lot. Perfect.
Meatballs?
Meat sauce?
Well, I gotta do spaghetti first.
Oh, okay.
Spaghetti?
Don't expect anything like this.
You didn't bring out a spoon. How am I gonna do this?
Use the other spoon from the meatballs. Come on. Get with it, Shell. You don't have anything for the cheese, though. I'll have to go get a spoon for that.
Yeah. I'll look at her. Got it.
All right.
All right, hold on. Oh, like some fancy.
Fancy. So fancy.
Turned out pretty good. If nobody wants it, I'll take one. You can dump some sauce on it, please, and some cheese.
You should move your arm so she can see.
He doesn't need to.
Right.
Maybe you should just let go of all your support so we can see and you can fall out.
Oh, no.
That's what your mom's telling you.
I mean,
No, really, your hand's needed. Don't worry about it.
I told her I'd take the skateboard and slide on the back,
that's
and
right.
she didn't want me to.
He didn't eat any ice cream yet.
This works great.
I think we're in the parade now.
Of course I do.
And how much volume she have?
I'm at 3/4.
So we're taking a ride in the golf cart, and we somehow have wound up in a parade.
I don't know. I don't have a radio.
Did you bring your camera?
I got my phone. Does that count?
Heidi is driving.
I don't see that happening.
This is like being stuck on one of those circles and you never can get off.
I was in that bottle.
Jeez,
One
like
more thing, Michael.
it's like we're in Pennsylvania again, Michelle.
Now we're hitting all the potholes. I want to see if you can run.
There's a snowy stand, Connor.
I see that.
That's
An open cat, I don't think.
That's the kind of machine we have, a snowy machine.
it?
Uh-huh.
Wanna hop back in?
Got marshmallow fluff.
Yes, we did.
You are going to have a Baltimore snowball.
What's that?
It's
Chocolate marshmallow.
we brought egg custard, chocolate, and we have cherry.
chocolate.
Chocolate is probably my favorite. Chocolate with marshmallow.
Is that a bunny?
I don't know though.
No.
Where's the pool? Tighten, Michelle. It's got the knock. It's got the knock. Either that or it was the diesel. I couldn't tell. It's hard to tell them apart once the gas gets the knock.
Yeah, I'll go that way.
Lean left, lean right.
You're on bobsled.
Right. I think I died and went to hog heaven. Oh. What is it? The Elgato, Delgado, whatever that thing is called.
Oh yeah.
Look at that pirates. That's cool. That's a Philly thing. That is.
Well, would you look at this? Another fun evening camping.
Hey, you're good now. Try it.
Yep.
We got juice there.
You got juice.
We got juice.
There you go. Why isn't it running yet? Did it trip again?
It did. The fan cut on.
You can hear it?
No, I looked at it.
No.
Okay.
It may not be hot right
It's on.
It's on now. Alright, I gotta remember that. for the future.
It's a 20 amp fuse or breaker.
Michelle,
Yes.
can you call the office again and tell them they need to come down here and fix our electric?
Oh, that'll go well.
Thanks for sticking with us to the end of the video. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and check out our other videos.